So now we are going to discuss the Laplacian operator. Laplacian operator. So what is a Laplacian operator means? Laplacian operator is denoted by del square and is defined by del square equal to del dot del. So what is a del? Starting we'll learn I into dou by dou x, j into dou by dou y, k into dou by dou z, dot again I into dou by dou x, j into dou by dou y, k into dou by dou z. So dot product I dot I1, so that is nothing but, so what will get? Dou square by dou x square, this two I dot I1 dou by dou x, dou square by dou x square, plus dou square by dou y square, dou square by dou z square. So now this is a del square operator value. So you just remember this formula. So what is a del square operator means? Del square operator equal to dou square by dou x square, dou square by dou y square, dou square by dou z square. So now after this, for example, if anybody asks what is a del square pi? Del square pi is nothing but del dot del pi. Just now I said del square is a del dot del. So that is nothing but del dot. What is a del pi? We learned previously del pi also called as a grade pi. Del pi మనం ఇంకేమంటాము grade pi అని కూడా అంటాం. So now del dot means divergence of grade pi. So this is a del square pi value. So del square pi you can also write as a divergence of grade pi. Okay, prove that question. Prove that del square r power m. This del square r power m you can also write, just now I said div of grade r power m. Its value is equal to, what its value means, m into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. This we have to prove. Prove that del square r power m or div of grade r power m is equal to m into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. We have to prove this one. Solution. So just now you know formula. What is del square pi? Just now I said dou square pi by dou x square, dou square pi by dou y square, dou square pi by dou z square. Okay. In the pi place, what is there here? Pi place, what is there? R power m. In the is equal to, what is that? Dou square r power m by dou x square. Next, dou square r power m by dou y square. Next, dou square r power m by dou z square. So this is assumed as a 1. So now each one we have to calculate. First, we have to calculate dou square r power m by dou x square. What is its value? So now what I am doing is, first now you calculate dou by dou x of r power m. This one, and this equation you assume as a 1. M into r power m minus 1, r differentiation dou r by dou x. What is r differentiation? Dou r by dou x. So previously many times we are calculated. What is the dou r by dou x? What is dou r by dou x? Previous chala classes lo chesam. What is the dou r by dou x? X by r. Dou r by dou y, y by r. We calculated this many times. Dou r by dou z. What is its value? Z by r. We are calculated. So m into r power m minus 1. What is dou r by dou x? X by r. Okay. These are frequently we will use. Remember this value. So now, listen here. So what you got? M into r power m minus 1. Take r into numerator, r inverse into x. So what will you get? M into r power m minus 2 into x. So which value this one? Dou by dou x of r power m. Dou by dou x of r power m value m into r power m minus 2 into x. Okay. So but by 1 what we need? Dou square. We need dou square by dou x square. You got dou by dou x. Okay. So now in the next page. So dou by dou x of r power m. We got it as a what is value? M into r power m minus 2 into x. M into r power m minus 2 into x. Okay. So now second time differentiation. Okay. So again dou by dou x of take second time differentiation. So dou by dou x of m into r power m minus 2 into x. So what is value? Dou square by dou x square of r power m, left hand side. So here m constant you take outside. Dou by dou x of what is value? R power m minus 2 into x. You think about the UV rule. UV whole dash. UV dash plus V U dash. This differentiation formula we will apply partially. Okay. So here this is U, assume this is V. Okay. So now m into U into r power m minus 2 into V dash x differentiation 1. Next V into V means x. X into U dash. U dash means r power m minus 2 differentiation. R power m minus 2 differentiation m minus 2 into r power m minus 2 minus 1 r differentiation dou r by dou x partially. So that is nothing but m into r power m minus 2 plus x into m minus 2 into r power m minus what is the r power m minus 3. What is dou r by dou x? X by r. So now this value. So m into r power m minus 2 m minus 2 into take r into numerator, x into x how much? X into x square, x into x square, r power m minus 3 r inverse. Take r in numerator, x into x square. So now this value m into r power m minus 2 into x square r power m minus 4. Okay. So now if you want to multiply this m inside, m into r power m minus 2, next m into m minus 2 into x square r power m minus 4. So this is a which value? This value is nothing but dou square r power m by dou x square. So dou square r power m by dou x square. Similarly, can you get remaining values? Dou square r power m by dou y square. So what you can get? In the x square place you will get the y value. Okay, 34 students added. So now this you assume as a 1. So now what I'm doing is, sorry, this is already 1 is there. Okay, this assume as a 2. So now in the next page, we got dou square r power m by dou x square is equal to what you got value? M into r power m minus 2, m into r power m minus 2 plus, what is the value? M into m minus 2, m into m minus 2, m into m minus 2 into x square r power m minus 4, x square r power m minus 4. Similarly, we get, what is that? Dou square r power m by dou y square. So what its value? M into r power m minus 2 plus m into m minus 2 into y square into r power m minus 4. Next, dou square r power m by dou z square, dou square r power m by dou z square, m into r power m minus 2, m into m minus 2 z square r power m minus 4. So adding all this, so adding all this 2 3 2 3 4, adding 2 comma 3 comma 4. So left side, what side? Okay, so right, see the right side, what is there? M into r power m minus 2, m into r power m minus 2, m into r power m minus 2. How many times? 3 times. So 3 m r power m minus 2, 3 times is there, x, x plus x plus x, 3x, like that. M into r power m minus 2, m into r power m minus 2, m into r power m minus 2, 3m r power m minus 2. Here, what we can take common in these three? M into m minus 2 into r power m minus 4 common. M into m minus 2, r power m minus 4 common in 3 terms. So what is the left? X square plus y square plus z square. You already know, many times we did. What is the r bar? Xi, yj, zk. What is the modulus of r? That is r equal to under root of x square, y square, z square. What is the r square? R square equal to x square, y square, z square. So now 3m into r power m minus 2, m into m minus 2, r power m minus 4. What is this value? R square. Okay. So this total value, what will get? 3m r power m minus 2, m into m minus 2, r power m minus 4, r power m minus 4, r square. How much you can add if you want? Plus 2. So this is how much its value. In the next page, what is the left side? Dou square r power m by dou x square, dou square r power m by dou y square, dou square r power m by dou z square, left side. So now in the next page, when you add left side, dou square r power m by dou x square, dou square r power m by dou y square, dou square r power m by dou z square, left side. What is the right side value? Just now we are calculated 3m r power m minus 2, 3m r power m minus 2 plus, what is the remaining? M into m minus 2, m minus 4 plus 2, m minus 2. So m into m minus 2 r power m minus 2. So what we can take common? We can take common m into r power m minus 2 common. M into r power m minus 2 common. 3 plus what is value? This 2 common. So m minus 2. So now m into r power m minus 2, what is value? M plus 1. So now m into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. What is del square of this one? Del square r power m by dou x square star power m. So that means del square r power m value got. Check it proof. This is only or not? Question. Del square r power m is equal to what you got? M into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. This additional one, del square r power m ని ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు అని మీనింగ్. del square r power m అని రాసినా డైవ్ గ్రేడ్ r power m రాసినా ఒకటే. ఓకేనా? క్వశ్చన్ ఇలా అడిగినా సొల్యూషన్ ఇస్ సేమ్. నీకు ఫర్ యువర్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్, నీ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ కోసం నేను లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ కొంచెం చేస్తాను చూడండి. ఈ del square r power m లేదు సార్ నాకు అట్లా ఎట్లుందో అట్లనే కావాలి క్వశ్చన్ లో అట్లా అనుకున్నప్పుడు del square r power m is a del dot del r power m. Okay. What is value? M into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. Del dot. What is del r power m? Grade r power m. Del r power m అంటే ఏంది? Grade r power m. M into m plus 1 r power m minus 2. Okay. M minus 2. What is del dot? Del dot ఉన్నదంటే divergence. Dot ఉన్నదంటే divergence. Div of del dot means divergence. Grade of r power m is equal to m into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2.